So I've cleaned this up a number of times, and this is basically as clean as it's gonna get. There's some, like I said, corrosion on this. I don't really care, to be honest with you. I'm just gonna wrap it, and I'm gonna wrap it with some gold. I was thinking about wrapping it with the heat wrap, but I think the gold is just gonna be as effective. I'm not trying to trap heat in here. I'm trying to stop heat from getting in, and from what I understand, this should help do that. Now, if you know anything about how Type R works, well, let me teach you a little bit here. This is where the turbo connects right here. The turbo is right here connected. This is the cold side of the turbo where the intake air gets into. The hot side's right here. So you got really, really, really hot part of the engine. I think it's either the hottest part or one of the hottest parts of the engine, literally sitting right here. I know there's a heat shield that goes here. I'm gonna reinstall the heat shield, of course. But I want to make sure I reflect as much heat away from this. So it's gonna be crucial for me to cover, especially this area right here, to make sure this comes out as cool as possible. Now, you know, some say that it's not gonna do anything, some say it does. I just wanna do is everything I can. It's already out because I'm installing all these other parts. I might as well just take the extra step and wrap it with DEI gold foil tape. And in case you guys are wondering, this is it right here. I'll put a link in the description to everything I use here today. I always do. Every one of my videos has a link in the descriptions in case you guys had questions on what I got and how I did it. The other last part about this is I'm not gonna talk much. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. It might take some time. It's also not gonna be the prettiest install. If you're looking for perfection, you're in the wrong channel. You're watching the wrong channel. This is all about functionality and performance and getting the most out of your car and having fun with your car. This is not gonna be a pretty install at all. You're gonna see wrinkles, there might be some bubbles. It doesn't matter, it'll do. Very much an arts and crafts thing here. Just have patience, put the tape on, don't be afraid of it. I was honestly not looking forward to this. It's not as hard as it is. Just cut, do your best to tamp it down. At worst, you'll use a little bit too much material in a place. It's not a big deal, right? If you double it up. So don't be afraid of this. Really easy to do. If you're taking it off anyway, might as well just do it.